know y'all can't see me right now, but if y'all don't like turbos, y'all can just go ahead and stop watching this video right now. I'm gonna say that. You know what I'm saying?
You know, we always called each other good fellas. Like you'd say to somebody, "You're gonna like this guy, he's alright. He's a good fella, he's one of us." We were good fellas, wise guys. As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a gangster.
Alright, so I don't know if y'all can see that, but I got the trailer loaded up. Here back there. Definitely just hit the window with the camera. It's nice. Anyways, I'm about to grab a pizza here at Hungry Howie's. Got me that large pepperoni with pineapple and jalapeno. I don't know if y'all know about that. Get a little Cajun crust down there. Go try it. You'll thank me later. But anyways, I got the trailer loaded up. Got the bed full. And I'm on the way to Ryan so we can go test the car. Hopefully it's not raining when I get to his area. Doing? Today is UCM Joe's opening no prep, and we got the homie Ryan here. About to take his Caprice out on a trailer for him, and yeah, we're just getting loaded up right now, and I'm gonna introduce you guys to Ryan. Alright y'all, this is my boy Ryan. Boy built himself a fucking rocket ship. We got the homie's car loaded up. I'm about to go grab some coffee and get some breakfast, and we're out. We'll see y'all there. Alright, so we're here at the Speedway, and Ryan's filling up. It's a little tight in this parking lot. Fucking jammed in here. But yep, we 10 o'clock now. We're about to grab some breakfast. We're probably 30 minutes from the track, and then when we get there, we're gonna unload. I believe testing is gonna start at 11, and then driver's meeting should be at 12, and the track's going hot at 1. Small tire is gonna be off the trailer. And he's not running small tire. He's gonna, I believe, run 650 index. That's probably what he's gonna run today. And then we might try and run a second index and see how that goes. Double under the car. So yeah, when he gets back in the truck, I'm gonna ask him, see what he wants to do.
Yes.
Alright, we are here at Onondaga. We just got Ryan off the trailer. Checking pressures right now. We about to set the backs to.
I'm gonna start off at like 13. See how it goes. Go from there.
What do you, how low do you usually run them?
I've had them as low as like 12 on the street.
Yeah. Oh, he almost forgot his helmet. What we got right here laying on the ground?
That's for my dump valve.
Okay.
That isn't hooked up yet.
There's hack job. There's hack job. Fast little truck on a hard tire, dude. People here today.
Fuck yeah, there is, dude. This is a lot of people.
Popping, baby. Look at that. Second gen. I've seen this one a couple times. That Nova.
I like that color.
She got a nice little idle, dude.
Dude, it's not bad.
She got a nice shot.
Wonder where this driver's meeting's at.
No. They know what's up. He said, damn. He said, damn. He said, damn. That's how you know you did it right, homie. I always thought those setups were sweet. Them little mini school buses.
So what?
The little mini school bus setups.
Yeah.
Genius, bro.
It looks like this is just.
Oh, look it. Right there.
Oh yeah, yo.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're
That's a good looking fox.
Yeah.
Ryan dropped the air pressure and turned the car down on the launch to make it hook a little better, and then we went up to watch some small tire. we went to go move his car up closer to the line so that we could try and sneak a test pass in between rounds.
Oh, you got Zeke in the left lane. Going up against Curtis, coming all the way from Rutherford, Illinois. In the right lane. Coming for that small tire. Who do you guys like? Cleared away. Let safety get through. Let safety get through.
Papa Booger! It was a crash!
It looks like he is.
Good. McDonald's after this pass.
Hell yeah.
Take the bitch out on the street.
I bet there will be something going on tonight. I was going to say that if they don't have a buyback, that usually increases the chances of people wanting to go out tonight.
Yeah.
Because they still want to go out.
All the people that lost, they're salty as fuck.
Yep. I think.
Yeah, the one up there was on a damn.
Yeah, he's 650.
Is he?
Yep. I thought it was that one.
I thought it was this guy way up here. Well, aren't we second there?
Yeah.
So don't we gotta be way up there?
Well, I gotta figure out what class this is.
5.7 will go first.
Yeah, 5.7.
I know, but I don't know.
This is a 650 car to the left of us. Look at his little spoiler.
That car's pretty consistent.
Yeah, because I think.
Yeah, he's way up there.
Left lane.
That's what we fucking needed.
What if we should have truck flag this shit?
Should we?
If anyone found the lost phone.
This thing is beautiful. Alright, y'all, we made it back. We unloaded Ryan's car. Your boy had a good day at the track. He was setting fucking consistent PBs.
Yes, sir.
What'd you run, like a half second faster than your previous?
No, not quite a half
Or
second.
you went, I think, 3/10 then, right?
Yeah, you know, I'd always struggled getting consistent 650s. I would be able to do it once or twice if it was, you know, if I was lucky.
Yeah.
So to go out and run 3 or 4 back to back was, you know, pretty exciting. Because I was like,
Yeah.
finally we got a consistent car now. You know, it's not doing something different every pass.
And it consistently got faster as the track came around.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, overall it was a good day at the track. And yeah, this is my first time ever riding in the homie's car. So we're heading out to a spot right now to go see what's happening out there. And y'all see us out there. Doing street car things, folks. And this thing does let me cruise. It's crazy. This thing cruises better than mine.
Dude, this thing probably drives as one of my nicest
Like, without
driving
turbos.
cars. Yeah. Like,
That's
one of
fucking
my nicest
crazy.
driving cars I got.
That's so funny. I always say that about my race car too. My race car, I'm always like, dude, my race car drives better than my fucking daily does.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
What's the most horsepower you've been in? Do you know?
I want to say CTSV, and it made 1050.
Shit.
Yeah.
God damn.
There's a motor with some spray. Yeah, it's a pretty fast car. Yeah, bud. Got yourself a goddamn hot rod. See nothing. Turning bells, dog. There we go, baby. Dude, I love turbos. I know y'all can't see me right now, but if y'all don't like turbos, y'all can just go ahead and stop watching this video right now. I'm gonna say that. You know what I'm saying? First time I've been to a McDonald's in a twin turbo car, dog.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It's an experience. Sorry.
All right.
How much was it?
You want that pump off?
He's 12. That's my fans.
Sounded like the pump.
I know, yeah, it's my
I was like,
my
what the
trans cooler. Little fans loud as shit.
Almost making me second guess if mine ever came on. My she's just real quiet.
Said your car's loud.
There you go. Good day.
Thanks, man. You too.
Yeah, I mean, I hot-wired mine to come on with the ignition when the car fires up. So I never really hear it with the car off.
Thank you.
All right, y'all. Sunday now. Yesterday Ryan ran out of some stripper glitter, so he ended up, there's a guy at the track named Joe, who runs a hack job truck. Shout out to Joe. He sold him this whiskey resin track rock. He's about to go out and try it and see how it does. Shout out to Hack Job. Listen to this fucking monster. quick, so we can tell him to the track. She's driving pretty good. I think I got a wheel bearing that's about to go out on me though. So you're missing you, baby. Look at that.
Long story short, that's why I ended up getting it. But now after I've done my research, I figured out those negative controlled switches are a lot of the times used on nitrous cars. And that's like what people will have their nitrous systems controlled off of, you know, they'll activate.
Arm the system?
Yeah, based off that switch. And so it's pretty much a useless switch for me now. I can rig it up to make it work, but it needs a ground to be activated instead of a power to be activated like normal.
I'm about to see what this shit's all about. Son, it's that whiskey resin, baby. Look at them tracks. Damn, son. Beautiful day out here. State of Michigan. Alright, well, this road's about as bare as it gets, as y'all can see. And those tracks are fresh, they're from him. That's a decent lick. I'll show you how straight the tracks are. Now keep in mind, this road has a pretty hard slant, so I'll have to leave. I think that has something to do with why he left the way he did. Now you can see he starts to burn out here, and then you can see he leaves right here. And it rolls out. Look at that. Whiskey resin, baby. Look at them tracks. Damn, son. Beautiful day out here. State of Michigan. Alright, well, this road's about as bare as it gets, as y'all can see. And those tracks are fresh, they're from him. That's a decent lick. I'll show you how straight the tracks are. Now keep in mind, this road has a pretty hard slant, so I'll have to leave. I think that has something to do with why he left the way he did. Now you can see he starts to burn out here, and then you can see he leaves right here and rolls out. Look at that. Alright, how'd it feel with the whiskey resin?
Good.
Yeah?
I mean, don't get me wrong, it's fun, but out here the roads are not rough, but they're that, like that rock, you know what I mean? So it's got so much grit in the road that it just grabs. Even when it spins.
Yeah, also I noticed that road has it's slanted real hard, so I noticed off the lead you were driving it, keeping it straight. We're driving that bit, so.
It still did 697.
Yeah, bro, that's a bare ass road.
Yeah, 173.60 foot.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, like you said, for a bare road, not bad.
Yeah, and it's not stripper glitter.
Yeah.
You never use that traction compound. So
This is the windows down type of day.
streetcar for real.
Yeah.
Drive to the spot, make the lick, no cool down time, drive it right back wherever the hell you want to go. That's some streetcar shit, folks. If y'all ain't doing that, you ain't got a streetcar, alright? I don't want to hear that shit.
Taking a long ride.
Yeah. Mine does the same. I hate it, dude. Alright, y'all. I just left Ryan's house. I'm on the way to the gas station right now. And about to get something to drink, get a snack, because I'm hungry. I'm dying out here. hot today. And yeah, I'm gonna, I believe, go drop the trailer off and probably start doing the cold side piping. And actually, I think what I'll probably do is, since by the time I get home it'll already be probably 4:30, I might just start editing this video for y'all and just mow the lawn and take care of some stuff around the house. And then tomorrow after work, I might end up having to do that cold side piping. But we're gonna get it done ASAP. We're gonna get this car out there and we're gonna see what she can do. I'm ready to get this turbo car done, y'all. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like sometimes you just gotta take these drives and you just gotta take it in, man. Look at this. I don't know about y'all, but I think that's beautiful. It's just something about going out driving on these old back roads in the middle of fucking nowhere. Way better than where I'm at. Just house after house after house. Can't even see nothing, you know? I mean, this ain't, you know, this is kind of getting more into like there's houses, but, you know, just 2 miles back, you couldn't see nothing but fields, and it was beautiful. So, just thought I'd say that, you know? I'm sure y'all can appreciate that too. Y'all know I had to stop and get that Mountain Dew and some snacks, you know? Don't judge me. You got a little bit of, you got them rollers. I know y'all like them too. Don't lie. But yeah, it was a good weekend. It was the first time I got to see the homie Ryan's car ever run in person. Yeah, I had a great time. Obviously, anytime the homie needs a tow to the track, Ryan, if you see this video, you already know. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get home, and I think I'm gonna just mow the lawn today. And I'm gonna try and edit this video, or edit the video for the whole weekend basically, and get that up to you guys as soon as I can. And then I'll get back to doing videos on the turbo kit, and I'm gonna get that stuff out to you guys soon too, because I haven't really posted a video on that yet. I've been just making a whole bunch of videos, editing content, and kind of just storing it so I can start posting to you guys more consistently, so that you know, maybe you guys will actually want to watch my bullshit. So yeah, I'm gonna ride out, and when I get home, I'll probably tune back in with you guys. Came out, I ain't even got the trailer back unloaded yet. Pulled up on the homie, we went out for a little ride. Came out to the spot, look.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a gangster. To me, being a gangster was better than being president of the United States.
Mad liberator, death operator.